I sure am hungry, Tails. I have some leftover pizza in the fridge. Do you want some? Oh, yeah. I got the pizza out. Now all we have to do is nuke it. Alright, now to nuke it. Hey, there's a new nuke button. Alright, nuking it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, my head. Tails, what happened?
According to my calculations, someone built a nuclear reactor into the microwave, making it a nuclear microwave. And somehow, when you press the nuke button, boom! Doomsday for everybody. Unfortunately.
This has Eggman written all over it.
I agree with you, buddy. And who's that on the chair?
Hey, Shadow.
How you doing, buddy?
Illuminati! Illuminati is destroying the world! Forgive, Shadow. The radioactive energy went to his head. Darn. Is there any way to reverse all this? Only one way. Dragon Balls.
Dragon what?
Dragon Balls. They're legendary magic orbs that when all 7 are gathered together would summon a dragon named Shenron to grant a wish. I thought that was from another series, Knuckles. I have 5 of them here somewhere. Ta-da! Ew! They were in your butt? Where else could I hide them? I don't have pockets like those Looney Tunes characters. Okay, we'll just clean this up then. No time for that. We need to end this now. I agree. And thanks to my Dragon Radar, I found the final 2 Dragon Balls in the villain's venue.
Oh, crud.
Okay. Here we go. What in the world kind of voice was that? Sounds kind of anime-ish. Rim shot.
Ah!
Alright. Now where are the 2 other Dragon Balls? Dun 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 dun. It is I, Dr. Eggman, that has the final 2 Dragon Balls. Dun dun dun. You realize what you've caused, you Illuminati freak? Because of your nuclear plot, several innocent creatures have suffered illnesses from the radiation.
Because of you!
Oh, shut up. Once I have all 7 Dragon Balls, I will take over the world! I can't let that happen, Egghead. I hate it when you call me that. Charge!
Ah!
Mommy. Ow! No! Oh! Ah! That's what you get for intoxicating the world, you giant egg thing. Well, we got all the Dragon Balls. Now to claim our prize. Oh, great Shenron, come and grant my wish. Greetings. What is thy wish? Goomba? You're not Shenron. Nah, I'm just filling in for him. He's gotten sick because of the radiation. Oh, well then, carry on. My wish is for all that's happened because of the nuclear explosion to be undone. Your wish is granted. Bye-bye. What the? The Dragon Balls disappear? The legend states that once Shenron has granted your wish, the Dragon Balls will once again be scattered, so that someone may find them again. Oh, boy. By the way, Mario hasn't appeared once in this episode. Where the heck is he? No! 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 Stop! No! Stop! No! No! Oh! 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 Eggman! Boom!